7 rocket-propelled grenades, modified AK-47s, decades also with machine guns. This is the story of a deadly makeshift arsenal.
First introduced in the early 2000s, and they're named after this man, Sheikh Izzuddin al-Qassam. He was a religious leader, also formed the first Palestinian guerrilla group. Initially, these rockets cost $800 a pop. Today, they're valued at almost $3,600.
So I'm gonna talk about this Qassam rocket used by Palestinian rebels or militants in the Gaza-Israel conflict. This rocket has been used to defame the Kuki volunteer. See, the wider Decode has debunked the lies of Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami to debunk his lies. In his TV, there are a lot of panelists telling that the Kuki volunteer have used these Qassam rockets to the Manipuri people. And you can see what he is saying to all the panelists. How comes the Palestinian rockets accidentally landed into KOUTRUK? Arnab इतना झूठ फैला रहा है, आप पूरा देश को बता रहा है कि देशवासियों को बता रहा है कि इतना झूठ पे झूठ. Shame on you for increasing TRP. Shame on you.
Arnab, you have been fed with wrong informations and wrong allegation against the Kuki militants or terrorists, whatever. ऐसा झूठा information आप कहाँ से अपना TRP बढ़ाने के लिए ले रहे हो और पूरा देश को आप अपना false news allegation करके घुमा जा रहा है. कम से कम अपना शर्म तो करो. This is shame on the Indian journalism. Without finding any fact, just posting everything just to increase your TRP. Shame on you, Arnab Goswami.